So, well, we're gonna go ahead and put everything back in reverse with the new intercooler.
See, this is one reason why you want to have, what do you call it? An oil catch can.
Cause look at all that oil.
Look at that. Look
All
at
the damn blowback.
that. All that blowback. Yeah, all that engine oil getting into your intake.
Yeah, man. That's
So,
a good healthy oil too.
So you know what that means? I gotta
Fruiter.
get me an oil catch can. I'm probably gonna do a carbon buildup clean, cause all that nonsense.
Yeah, it's all in there. If you got a turbo, for especially a not force induction, a direct injected vehicle, yeah, you might as well go get that, bro. It's a good investment.
Wait to this car.
Oh yeah. So we adding weight too.
Yo,
So
my 50 guard now it's gonna be like 51.49 now.
52.
But you know, it's 51 now actually.
So we
Took
had
the bumper off. Yep, took the bumper off. He was gonna say that. Nope, took the bumper off.
Yeah, that's exactly.
Bumper had to come off.
so we took the bumper off, so we're gonna get these little like fangs type joints.
Yeah,
Cause we need clearance for the intercooler.
large ass intercooler.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario,
We might have to cut this whole
chop
thing
this.
off.
Yeah, chop that off.
Well, let's take it one step at a time.
Oh,
We're
yeah,
not trying to be
definitely.
aggressive. But all right, we're gonna cut it off right now. So we had to cut it. So we had to cut the front lower half of this. I think it's a core support. So we're cutting it off right now. JG's shaving the edges, and then we're gonna do the fitment.
Come to us. We better than Fitment Industries. Yeah.
No. I gotta cut that off. I gotta cut that out. You bugging?
We don't even do that.
We don't even have the inventory yet, bro. What are you talking about?
We don't even do that. You want some airbag suspension or some wheels? We got you.
Yeah.
What the fuck you doing over here? Wheel, lug nuts, and spacers. That's where they do it.
Hey, if you want us to install the shit that you put on,
Hey, bro, we
with
work.
Fitment Industries,
Bro, we on the job, bro. Come on, bro.
PG-13.
Right.
Starts Friday.
Get my back.
You keep cursing, bro.
Get
Shut
my
up.
mask out the car for me.
Nah, bro.
Bro, it's not a Corona damn bumper.
Bro, you be alright,
Move
bro.
on.
Bro, it's not the Corona
Bro,
bumper I worry
bro.
about.
Hold your lips. Hold your lips. Like a Jamaican. Hold your lips.
Oh.
There you go.
Watch it, watch it.
The proof of flinching, man. Yo, big ups to them barbers, bro.
They do a good
That's how they
job,
be
man.
lining up people. I can't do that shit.
Like I said, we already cut the front part, so just make sure this sucker fits, 'cause it's a big one. And then when it comes to the hose, we have to get a charge pipe out and have an adjustment for it. So this is going to be from the hose charge pipe, and then this one is going to connect directly to the intercooler. This side, this is from the turbo. Don't know what's the correct term, but we just took it off. We have to cut this end right here.
BMW.
So we cut this end, and then we're gonna install. We're gonna keep the other half of this, and we're gonna install this new hose and clamp that sucker. Put it back together so it'll fit this side, and then we should be done, man. Let's hurry up and get this over. I ain't lying. I thought this was gonna be a quick, easy one because I thought it was a plug and play where you just put the intercooler on and call today, but I was so wrong. Well, actually, Jason lied.
I lied. They were like, look, you about it. Look, this thing didn't even come in instructions. So
That's
clearly,
true.
guys, if you want to do these things, you got to be about it. If you're not about it, go to people like us.
And I appreciate JG helping out a lot, man. He's making a difference.
Good as his bank account. Yes, sir.
My hand!
You wanna go inside?
My face and hand!
Well, just cut this off. Finally got it off. This is a comparison. So
Boom.
this side is gonna go to here. Where you're gonna clamp it. And then this is gonna be in the cooler.
Boom. Just like that.
All right, guys. After a whole bunch of hot mess, headaches, and whatever, we finally got it in. We had to really like finesse it. Like I said, we cut right here just to have more room because this thing is like literally twice the size of the original one. And that's pretty much about it. I know you can't really see properly because it's dark, it's black, but we finally got it in, man. It's awesome. Very happy with it. It's secure, it's firm. It's not going anywhere. So next step, get this sucker started. Listen out for any leaks. And then we're gonna do our first test drive without putting the front bumper. And after that, once everything is good, then put it together and we call it today. All right, so we're about to start it. Jason, go ahead and start that sucker. We're gonna listen out for any sign of leaks. It's gonna be our first official start, boy. Let's get it. You good? Sucker breathing, right? Oh, like it looks really good. I mean, it's black, so it kind of blends in. That's his whole point. He doesn't want anybody to know what he got, but yo, looks good. We're gonna go ahead and do a test drive, just around the block, to see how it takes on the load. That's it. Other than that, it should be fun. We put the front bumper off and then we go at it. See, yo, laugh, yo, TMZ. All right, bro, go ahead, bro. All right, bro. So we already did the road test. Everything was consistent. We checked the hoses one last time. Everything is good. So we just went ahead and put the bumper back in. Everything fit perfectly. So that's pretty much it. I'm about to drop this car and send it out, but clearly you won't see it at all because it's black and it's
ultimate.
So it's an ultimate sleeper. But
what if I paint it red?
Sounds good. Nah, don't do that.
I'll paint it red, bro. Look like lipstick.
But we're gonna go ahead and drop this out and we're gonna send this car out, man. So Jason is pretty much out of here. He's happy with the results. Everything was good. And yeah. JG, time for you to go home, bro. Jason, drive safe. And on that note, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. I can't even close it properly with these guys, man. Just talking all kind of crap. All right, bro. Bye.